Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Now that we are done with the design, the specs, and UI of the new outdoor smartwatch from DT number 1, the KKTICK Tank T5, we are now going to explore the loaded features or menus available in this smartwatch. So we will check the sports functions, health, as well as other tools included in the Tank T5, an outdoor rugged smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin. As we stated, the wearable do have a premium look and with a durable body build. As you can see here, 380M waterproof, military grade, tested, and it has a rugged design. All metal body frame, middle frame, including the buttons, bezel, and the back cover here. Okay. Then next, let's check the contents now. Before we dive into the features, we have here the different watch faces included in the wearable. Okay, so this one, it is a dedicated sports button. For the UI, on top we have the settings here that you can edit and change, you can add, and you can remove some of the functions here. For example, the QR code here, we'll remove this, and let's add this one. Alright, again, let's check. That's it. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the right side or left side, we have an option to add a module. I think it is just the same also with the right side. You can add your own module here. So we have a lot of modules here that you can add on the wearable. To access the main menu, just press the crown button here. You can use the crown button here. It has a rotary function. And as you can see here, we do have a dial pad and contacts. That is for our Bluetooth call. We have a recent or call logs, call history. We have notification feature here. We have sports. You can access also the sports via the physical button, push button here on the side. We have a sports history. We have automatic activity tracking. Again, the sports history, notifications, contacts, and what else do we have here? We have the heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, weather report, blood oxygen monitoring, sports courses, so somewhat like a built-in goal or tutorial. I guess this one you have to follow this to achieve your daily requirement for sports or for fitness exercises. We have an offline map here for your outdoor activities. Still have to connect it with a support app. We have a barometer. We have a built-in compass. Okay, we have to calibrate it first before we can use it. We have offline music. For the offline music, I think it has as you can see here, 4 GB of storage memory. So you can load some music here or upload, download audio file with this transfer cable and at the same time a charging cable. We have breathing exercises, calendar, mobile voice assistant. We have calculator here as a tools. We have picture. You can add your own. We have video. You can also add your own video here. Remember, we do have a 4 GB of storage space, and we have a transfer cable. I think you can also add via Bluetooth connectivity. I'm not sure, but we will try. We have recorder, game market. You can download a lot of games here from the support app. We have period tracking, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer. We have flashlight. We also have here decibel. Okay, you can check the intensity of noise. We have find device, live camera. I think this is for the remote control for your smartphone camera. World time or world clock. We have a watch butler. Okay, I'm not familiar with the watch butler, but we will explore this. On the settings, we have display. We have clock style, screen off, and screen settings. Okay, always on display. Wow, nice. You can also adjust the font size here. This one is usually not available in other smartwatches. We have call reminder, ringtone. You can also change the ringtone here. That's very good. We have music mode. We have phone mode, watch mode, and a Bluetooth headset. So you have an option, not just only one option, but 3 options for the music. We have UI effect. You can change. We have set time, then set date. We have vibration strength, brightness, view mode, set language, and other settings or options here for the wearable. So this one, the USB mode, if you want to use it as a mass storage or super fast charging, you can switch. Okay, what else? Storage space, gesture control. We'll try this, and that's it. So it's a fully loaded smartwatch. As you can see from the settings, it is packed with a lot of options. Aside from the tools and cool features that is available here in the main menu, we have games, we have watch faces, we have entertainment apps such as video, recorder, picture, and offline music. So again, here are the different features or menus included in our KKTICK Tank T5. You can check out the links below in the description. A beautiful looking smartwatch loaded with features from sports, health, to other useful tools, as well as games. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.